first word, my first home, the softest hands I've ever known. You held me close when I would fear, you wiped away my every tear.
You spent your nights so I could sleep, your promises you'd always keep. You taught me deen, you taught me sabr, your love's a shield, a steady anchor.
You show me faith with no disguise, the nur of Allah in your eyes. And for this gift I thank Him every day. I pray I never lose this way.
Oh Allah, thank you for my mother. There is no one like her, there is no other.
الجنة تحت أقدام الأمهات.
My life is proof that this is true.
رب ارحمهما كما ربياني صغيرا.
My heart repeats this dua for you. The world is harsh, this dunya calls, but you're the voice that breaks my falls. You taught me iman, strong and deep, a treasure that my qalbi keeps.
For every line upon your face, for every sacrifice and grace, for every meal and every prayer, I know that you were always there.
You showed me faith with no disguise,
the nur of Allah in your eyes. And for this gift I thank Him every day. I pray I never lose this way.
oh Allah, thank you for my mother. There is no one like her, there is no other.
الجنة تحت أقدام الأمهات.
My life is proof that this is true.
رب ارحمهما كما ربياني صغيرا.
My heart repeats this dua for you. If I could give you all the seas and all the stars between the trees, it wouldn't be enough, it's true, for everything you've seen me through.
So I just pray to Allah, the one to bless the work that you have done. May He grant you peace and endless light, and make your every burden light. Ummi, ya Ummi.
The scent of Jannah is with you.
Alhamdulillah,
Alhamdulillah,
for you.